Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum grade 6. We are going to do exercise 5b. Question number 1. Let's start. If y is equal to 3 over 5x plus 26, find the value of y when x is equal to 12. Okay, let's start. We have this equation where y is equal to 3 over 5x plus 26. We have to find the value of y and the value of x. They give us 12. This is the equation of y. We are having y and x in exercise 5a. If you remember, look here, we were having only x or y, mean one variable in one equation, in one question. But in exercise 5b, we are having two variables, somewhere 3, somewhere 4, and we have to find one variable. For others, they give us the value. Like here, we are having two variables, y and x. Y we have to find, and x value they give us 12. So let's start. Y is equal to 3 over 5. What is the x value? 12. First of all, no any number sign is written between the variables. It means this is multiplier. Plus 26. Okay. So y is equal to 3. What is the value of x? 12. It is given in the question. Over 5 plus 26. So y is equal to 3 12ths the 36 over 5 plus 26. Okay, you have to add the numbers, and this is in the fraction. It's mean you have to make the denominator same first. It is 5. You can make it 5 by multiplying up and down. Multiply 5. 36 over 5 plus 1 5 the 5. 26 multiply by 5. 5 6 the 30, 0, 3 carry, 5 2 the 10 plus 3, 13. So 130. Y is equal to 36 plus 130 because the denominator is same. So y is equal to 6 plus 0 6, 3 plus 3 6, and 1 as it is over 5. Okay, so you can directly divide it also, like 5 3 is the 15, 1 left, it's join here, it's become 16. 5 3 is the 15, what left? 1. If you can't do directly, do in rough word. 166 divided by 5. 5 3 is the 15, what left? 1. What will come down? 6. 5 3 is the 15, and what left? 1. So what left? That go top. What is here? That come here, and what is in the denominator? Same here. So this is the answer. Y is equal to 33 1 over 5 for question number 1. Let's start question number 2. Okay, here they give us a, y, x and z. We are having 4 variables. They are asking that if a is equal to y square minus xc over 5, find the value of a. You have to find the value of a when x is equal to 2, x value 2, y is equal to minus 1, this is y, z is equal to minus 3. Okay, so let's start. A is equal to y square minus xz over 5. So a is equal to, what is y? Minus 1 square minus, what is x? Minus 3. What is z? What is x? Sorry, this is 2. And what is z? Minus 3 over 5. In the index notation, or square mean the same number 2 times, minus 2 3 the 6, and minus plus minus minus 6 will come here over 5. A is equal to minus minus plus 1 ones the 1, minus minus plus 6 over 5. So A is equal to 7 over 5. A is equal to 5 ones the 5, but left 2. You can do even in rough work. 5 ones the 5, what left 2. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3, they are saying if S is equal to 4 pi r square, this symbol is known as pi. Find the value of S when r is equal to 10 1 over 2. R value they give you. The positive value of r when S is equal to S value they give you 116, and take pi to be 22 over 7. Pi value they give you here. Okay, so let's start the first part. S is equal to 4 pi r square. S is equal to 4. What is pi value? 22 over 7. What is r value? 10 1 over 2 square. So S is equal to 22 over 7. First solve this one, mixed number. 2 tens the 21 plus 1, 21 over 2 square. So S is equal to, this square is on both, it's on the whole, it's on the bracket, top of the bracket. It's mean on this also and on this also. So you can solve in the rough work. 21 square mean 21 2 time. 1 ones the 1, 1 2 the 2, 2 ones the 2, 2 2 the 4. So 1 2 plus 2 4 and 4, 441, and 2 2 the 4. 2 2 times mean 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so no any sign between them, mean these all are multiply, and this number will multiply on the top. 4 multiply with 22, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8 over 7, and 441 over 4. S is equal to, down will multiply down, 7 4s the 28, up will multiply up. Do in rough work. 441 multiply with 88. 8 ones the 8, 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 8 4s are 32 plus 3 35, cross again, 8 ones the 8, 8 4s are 32, 2 3 go carry, 8 4s are 32 plus 3 35. Add them. 8 2 plus 8 10, 0, 1 go there, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 5 8, and 3 3 8 8 0 8. So S is equal to, up and down both even numbers, so you can divide easily with table of 2. 2 ones the 2, 2 4s the 8, come here, 2 ones the 2, 1 join here, 2 9s the 18, 2 4s the 8, 0, 2 4s the 8. Again up and down even number, you can divide with 2. S is equal to 2 7s the 14, come here, 2 9s the 18, 1 come here, 2 7s the 14, 0, and 2 to the 4. Okay, let's do in rough work. 9702 divided by 7. 7 ones the 7, what left? 2 what come down? 7. Then read the table of 7. 7 4's the 28, that will be bigger. 7 3's the 21. 6 left, what will come down? 0. 7 8's the 56. What left? 4. What will come down? 2. Okay. Then 7 6 the 42. So what is the answer? S is equal to 1 3 8 6, because it's divided completely. Question number 6 we will do. If k is equal to p plus 2p over 3, find the value of p when k is equal to 7 and q is equal to 9. You have to find the value of p. So the equation is k is equal to p plus 2p over 3. First of all, you have to make it the equation of p, but for us it will be easy that put the values first. K is equal to 7, p we don't know, plus 2. What is the q? What is the equation? Wait a second. It is q, it is not p. This is q. Okay, so what is the value of q? 9 over 3. So 7 is equal to p plus 2 9's the 18 over 3. This is divided here, on other side it will multiply. P plus 18. 21 is equal to p plus 18. Here it's plus, on other side it will minus, because we need the value of p. So simply 21 minus 18 is equal to 3. So p is equal to 3. Question number 6. Question number 11. If n is equal to m over x plus q, find the value of q when n is equal to 1 4 over 5 and m is equal to 9 and x is equal to 2. So first of all, n is equal to 5 once the 5 plus 4, 9 over 5. Okay, let's come toward the equation. N is equal to m over x plus q. N value you know, 9 over 5. M value 9. X value 2. And q value we don't know. Okay, so here this divide, on other side it will multiply. This number 5 9's multiply on the top. 2 plus q. 9 is equal to 45 over 2 plus q. This 2 plus q is divided on this side. It will go on other side and it will multiply. Nine to the 18 plus 9q is equal to 45. We need only q on this side, so that's why we will take all other on the other side. This 18 plus here, on other side it will minus. Okay, 45 minus 18, taking carry 3, 15 minus 8, 7, 3 minus 1, 2, 27. And q is equal to 27. This 9 will divide on this side because here multiply. So q is equal to 27 divided by 9. 9 3 is the 27. We find the value of q. Question number 13. If a is equal to b over c minus b, find the value of b when a is equal to 3 and c is equal to 10. So let's start. A is equal to B over C minus B. Find the value of B. A they give us 3, B we don't know, C they give us 10 and B we don't know. Okay, this divide here, on other side it will multiply. We will take this on the other side. We will then 3 tens the 30 minus 3B is equal to B. This 30 we will take on other side. Minus 3B is equal to B minus 30. It's plus, on other side it will be minus. Okay, we will bring both B on the same side. Minus 3B, this is plus, it will be minus. Oh sorry, only one B is here. Minus 30 mean this step is like this. Minus 3B minus B is equal to minus 30. Okay, so minus 4B is equal to minus 30. Minus will be cancelled with minus, so B is equal to 30 over 4. So B is equal to 4. Up and down both can be divided with the table of 2. First of all we will make it. 2 to the 4, 2 5s the 15. Then B is equal to 2 7s the 14. What left? 1. Like 15, 2 to 7s the 14. What left? 1. I hope you understand.